In San Francisco's Golden Gate Park, the California Academy of Sciences is drawing crowds with its Osher Rainforest Dome. This lush, multi-level habitat is home to more than 1,600 species of tropical plants and animals. Visitors move from the rainforest canopy down into an Amazonian flooded forest, where turtles and freshwater fish swim overhead in a 100,000-gallon tank. Opened in 2008, the Osher Rainforest is the largest indoor rainforest dome in the world. Temperatures are kept between 82 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, with humidity near 75%, creating a true rainforest environment in the heart of California.